Here I have Alcatel One S 2021, and today I'm going to show you how to speed up this device. So you have the pre-installed application which is called Smart Manager on this device, so just open it. Then it runs the scan of your whole device, like if there are any features that could be optimized. As you can see, my device is not 100% optimized, so it is optimizable. Let's tap optimize, and after that it automatically fixes all the features that could be optimized, and after that your device will be faster, I assure you, 100%. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.